Right, we're going to a resort now. There's just me and the kids. We're gonna jam. Now this resort, I go on a really long walk every day, and my son started going with me. My daughter won't, because I don't know, she just won't. It's probably a girl thing. And I didn't know it existed, and we walked in yesterday, and it's quite a nice little place, you know. So I just thought I'd show you. Now this is the first video I've done since I was ill, and then the flood. I lost all my equipment in the flood. I'm on my old GoPro. The reason I haven't been using it is the audio is hit and miss. I'm hoping it's not miss and it actually works when I get back to editing. But there's some good news, guys. I didn't have a laptop because my laptop got flooded along with this, but I got it well, he said it was repaired, but obviously I'm having trouble with the audio. And a very nice, kind subscriber. Right guys, we're here. It's called the Summit Recreation Sport Event Venue. It's really nice, guys. It's really nice here. I was on my watch. You know, I've passed this for like at least 2 years, more, 3 years, either on my bike or just a walk, and I never even noticed it. And it's right on our doorstep. So this is it. There's a restaurant here as you just walk through the door. Now it's early on a Sunday. It's very, very hot, and it's very sunny for a change. So you can bring the kids here and just sit and relax. You'll see in a minute. You can just sit and relax while the kids play. I mean, obviously I don't think the kids will come here just to play basketball, because there's basketball courts everywhere. But I spoke to one of the staff yesterday, and she was very nice, very helpful. And straight away my kids were saying, can we come back? Can we come here swimming, Daddy? And I don't see why not. So this video hopefully is going to set off my return. What I was talking about with my laptop and the action cam I got as a gift, if that hadn't happened, guys, I mean, I don't think I'd have been on this year, honestly, because and I understand the support for the channel's just gone down to practically nothing. And that's, you know, the support is how bloggers upgrade their cameras and all their equipment and blah blah blah. So without your support, we can't keep doing the videos. So if you thought of supporting the channel, or you were supporting the channel and there were no videos so you stopped, please come back. Even if it's, you know, just a couple of dollars, I mean, it all mounts up. So look at this. We're in France. The Eiffel Tower. How good's that? We've got rooms if you want to stay overnight. Looks like we've got another basketball court. Now the swimming pool's further down here. Now I want to live in one of these houses here. I'm joking, of course. But I think this is great. The kids ran up the stairs there on the windmill. So just to reiterate, guys, the reason I wasn't doing videos before the flood was I was very, very ill. At one point I really thought I wasn't going to be here very long. Thank you for all the well wishes, by the way. I really appreciate it. So here you are, Summit Sports Hub and Private Resort. Now on the other side of there is the swimming pool, and there's tables to sit down. there's a jeepney here, so somebody's come a little way away to get here, I think. I can't understand how Mel didn't know this existed, you know. There's more rooms upstairs. They do private functions and what have you. So we're just going to go in here and pay so the kids can go swimming. Here you go. Good afternoon. So this is the lovely lady I was talking to yesterday. She's very beautiful, isn't she? She's so so I'd like to pay for 4 children and 1 adult, please.
Yes, sir.
So I've just been hit with a shocker. Right, you've got to rent one of these little chalet things. The only one they've got left, because they've been taking bookings, is 900 pesos. Now look, at the end of the day, guys, that's not a lot of money, and especially when you've got a family, right? But for me, being on my own and I'm not going swimming, the swimming cost is on top of the little cottage. So I don't know if these other ones are booked. They look all the same size to me, but you know, I don't know. But look at the swimming pool. Look how lovely it is. It's really nice here, and the staff are lovely. Staff are really nice. But I've not brought enough money to pay 900, plus it's 150 pesos for an adult, and it's 140 pesos for a child, I think, or is it 120? I'm not sure. I think it's 140. But the pools are crystal clear. They're lovely, really nice. And that one looks quite deep, but you got the kiddies pools there. Look, they're not very deep. But Matthew would jump into that and just swim to the other side. I'll probably just go and get a bit of money, get some more money and come back, because the kids are going to be disappointed if I take them home now, because I've just bought them burgers and fries and sodas before I brought them, so they've had something to eat, so I don't need to buy them food here. But I'm back, guys. Hopefully you're going to get some regular videos. I can't guarantee how many. I'm just hoping the audio works on this. If it doesn't, I'll cry. And next, I think I'm going to do a video on what's the least to bring to the Philippines to live here as a single guy. I'll not say a woman, because I don't think there's many women want to come on their own to the Philippines. I might be wrong, but I've not seen any. And we'll have a chat about that. So until then, unfortunately it's not a big video because we've got to go. But we'll see you again. They're having a talk. I don't know what's going to happen. They might let us stay and swim, I don't know. It's a pleasant surprise, guys. They've given me some discounts, so I don't have to go and take the kids back and disappoint the kids. They're going to put a table and umbrella up for me. A table and umbrella, if it's set up, is you might as well say 500. It's 499. It's cost 670 something with paying for them to go swimming and what have you. So we're gonna be all right. We're gonna be all right. So we'll see how it goes with the kids. Fia, why are you so beautiful?
I'm beautiful because I'm beautiful.
You're beautiful because you're beautiful?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yes.
Well, you're very modest.
I'm beautiful because you're handsome.
Oh, I like that answer. Let's see what Matthew says. Matthew, why are you so handsome?
Yeah, because you have some too in me.
Because I'm handsome too in you?
Yes.
Oh, right. Your English is brilliant. So there you go. So this is Sander and this is Insu. These are Mel's sister's 2 kids. I've brought them. So look how big they're getting, guys. I mean, the years have flown by. He's 7, she's 6. Look at her. She's gonna be alright. Men puller. You what? Yeah, you can go in now.
Yeah.
Daddy sorted it. Oi, watch there, Fia, because it's deep. Fia, that's deep. Be careful. I don't want to be jumping in, saving you. So this is lovely. This is lovely. I don't understand why it's not got more people here. But hopefully after this video, people will see it and they'll come and bring a bit more business to the place, because it's really worth it. Honestly, it is. If I'd have known this place was so close, I'd have brought the kids here ages ago. I mean, we've come in the car, but we could actually walk here, because this is part of my walk, coming past here and up there. It takes me about an hour to go around and walk. This is just amazing, and it's lovely and warm. I love to see the kids having a good time as well, because Matthew, he loves the water. Sander can't swim, Insa can't swim, she can't swim. Matthew, he can, I wouldn't say that length, but he can practically go underwater to about halfway and come up. I've tried to teach him to swim, but he can't keep his head above water for some reason. So let's see how it goes, guys. Oh, there's Fia trying to show off. Here's Matthew and Sander, look. Oh, Matthew's doing his swimming bit. I didn't teach him to do that. Very good, very good. I tried to teach him to actually swim, but that was the after effects of my teaching, so I probably should stick to just retirement or vlogging, I guess. But well, some will be pleased to know that I feel absolutely brilliant. Brilliant. I haven't felt like this in years. I've lost quite a bit of weight, because it looked like I was having twins at one point. But the problem is, it's mostly come off my face. I need to lose just a little bit more off my stomach and then I'll be happy, but unfortunately it's coming off my face as well, and it's aging me. But hey, I'm nearly 64 in April. So tomorrow, oh, the video's flashing. It's not fixed, guys, so I'm sorry about the flashing bit, or at least the front bit is. The back bit's not, maybe it's alright, but the front bit's flashing. But tomorrow I'm going to see how much it'll cost to get my teeth done, because my teeth at the front were crumbling. I need them straightening and cleaning, and my bottom brace took off. So that should be interesting. I hope it's not like when I went to the optician and asked for some distance glasses and she wasn't having none of it. I still come out with bifocals, and now I've got to get distance glasses again because I can't use them. I'm not moaning, I'm just saying, you know, it is here. It's, you know, you don't go in and ask for a kilo of bananas and come out with a kilo of bananas and apples here. Well, maybe some of you might. This is really very nice, very nice. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much.
Hello.
Yeah.
It's so deep here.
So we've got a table over there. I'd have preferred it over here, but there you go. They accommodated me. I've saved 400 pesos. And it doesn't matter if you're not swimming, guys, you're still going to pay. Even if you're just watching the kids. And you've got to sign a waiver in case something happens to the kids while you're here. But nothing will happen to them. I mean, I wouldn't let them happen to them. Don't take my eyes off them. What? Oh, you're on the seats. Ah, see that, guys, you know? Little pina colada. You know, I bet it's beautiful here at night, you know, when the sun's rising. It's all going orange. It's getting cooler. It's lovely. So this is where we're sitting, guys. This isn't bad, is it? Look at all the chairs. I think they must think we're expecting guests. Obviously not. This is very nice. And I can actually sit in one of these without worrying it collapsing. Before, I lost all my weight. I couldn't. I was really big and unhealthy, and you know, it wasn't good. It wasn't good. But now it is. I love this. It's so relaxing. I reckon this is where they have entertainment on. Obviously I don't know. And I didn't want to disturb the girls and give them the wrong impression. So let me know in the comments what you think, guys. It promotes the video. Not that it's an exciting video to start off with, I'm sorry about that. But don't forget to leave a comment, a like or a dislike, it doesn't matter, it still gets YouTube to promote the videos. And let's hope my next conversation is of more interest, which it should be if you think to come to the Philippines and you're on a small budget like myself, a very small budget. It'll give you an idea of whether it's a good idea or not. I can't believe I keep getting asked, I've been asked 3 times in the past 6 months. That's not a lot, but being as I wasn't doing videos, I was quite surprised, but there you go. Yeah, we'll come back here, no problem. Kids are loving it, guys. The video's packed up on me like 6 times saying it's repairing the SIM card. Now that's another issue it didn't do before. So you can see these pools here are just for little kiddies. They're not very deep. That's the deepest, and even that's not very deep. It looks like it's only about, what, 4 feet. Oh, please let the audio work, and please let there be enough video. I really apologise, guys. It's the first video I've done since being poorly in the flood. Yeah, there was other videos, but it's just old footage I had that I hadn't edited and put on the channel. It was before the flood, basically. I never got around to editing it because I wasn't very well. But again, thanks to Jim for my laptop. I love it. I had a couple of issues. I've sorted that out. It was only software issues. It was nothing to do with the laptop. And as soon as I can get myself pulled together financially, I'll get the external mic for the other camera, so I can take video with confidence. I'm going to have some footage at the end of it. I'm really, mind you, it's not summer yet. It's still rainy season. It's only really the summer that these places get packed, get a lot of people in. But of course you don't want to come when it's packed, you want to come when it's, well, I'd like a little bit more life than this, I guess, but The kids are happy, look. That's the main thing.
Thanks to the following members and Patreons for their amazing support: Robert Bull, Anthony Neal, George Andrews, John Donachi, Zark Alfrey, Kingsley, Dazlox, Michael Hildebrand, Killer Grub with Mark Bagley, Romeo Roma Santa, Nathan Massengill, Emmanuel Sen Pascual, Zarther Gregory, M. Kitchen Baker, Steve Dornbos, Paulo Svensson, Jim Alvire, Scott Slavin, The Professor, Didas Jornales, Wade, Daz, Robert Cole, Michael McFarland, Aaron, Dr. Philippines, Wolfen4966, Mira D, Simon Kennedy, Kennedy Supergirls, Simply Monks, Rick's Destination Cebu, Ryan Dawson, Albar Jitch, Stephen Baxter, Ed from Queens, a Brit's Philippines destination. Big thanks to all of you.